Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop your picture on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page by tapping on the home icon down below, which is the first option. After that, go to the start creating section at the top and tap on edit photo, which is the first option. Then select the picture that you want to edit. After that, you should tap on the crop icon down below, which is the first option. And here you can choose from many preset options that you can use. But you can also customize cropping your picture by positioning the frame to the right place. So here you can crop your picture by yourself and selecting the frame. So if you are done with it, tap on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and as you can see, your photo has been cropped, so you are ready to save it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.